One question we often get is, how much is my project going to cost? And our response is, do you mean how much is it going to cost you financially? Or how much is it going to cost you emotionally? Because most people don't even consider the emotional cost. And we're going to answer both parts of that, and we'll start with the financial.
So this is not a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on a lot of different factors, things like size, complexity, the level of detailing, custom millwork, do you have built-ins, and even how much of the existing house is going to be renovated as part of this project. So it's kind of like if somebody asks you, how much does a shirt cost? It's like, well, are they talking about a t-shirt or are they talking about a hand-stitched custom silk shirt? Obviously, they're both shirts, but they have very different price points.
And most people don't even know exactly what it is that they want. And assuming you're going to schedule an in-office meeting with us, we will help you figure out a budget estimate for your project. So that's the financial part of it. And now we're going to address the emotional costs.
So most people don't realize how much fear they have when it comes to making all of these decisions, how stressful, how overwhelming it can be. In fact, they're often willing to continue living in a house that is emotionally tolling in a different way. And, you know, it's like you might be living in a house that you hate, in a kitchen that you really don't like, a house that's too cramped, or just that makes you feel bad on a daily basis. So we have a systematized process to help you through your project. We walk you through it step by step, holding your hand the entire way so you don't have to pay that emotional cost.
So if you're looking to get past the overwhelm, give us a call and we will help you get clarity on that next step so you can get started on your project.